Commander Zimbabwe National Army, Lieutenant General Anselm Sanyatwe, has called on uninformed forces to remain resolute, patriotic and loyal in the performance of their constitutional mandate of defending the country's sovereignty and territorial integrity. Sambina mashoko ayo atakwa na General Sanyatwe vachitaura pama challenges afesiwa ne Zimbabwean army achiti aiwa they must not be involved in any movements kana any forces kana kujamuka kungaitika nekuda kwepolitical instability munyika asi varambe vakastika to their mandate of protecting Zimbabwe's sovereignty and territorial integrity. Sambina mashoko vataura noti bo subscribe bo like kuti on the bell icon. Notimonyo kwa Muchinzi, he was presiding over the command exchange of Harare district garrison between Colonels Andrew Kabaira and Richard Mapanda. Lieutenant General Sanyatwe said discipline and patriotism remain the cornerstone of the ZNA to achieve its mandate and objectives. Ladies and gentlemen, as Commander Zimbabwe National Army, I am aware of the challenges we face as a nation in general and as the defense forces in particular. This is a passing phase and we should remain focused on a professional army. I am seized with these challenges and let me highlight to you that all the issues that are raised are being actioned, he said. Domashiko anatokwa na General Sanyatwe achiti aiwa pane ma challenges anosanganikwa nenyika in general but pane mamwe atinofesa isu says the Zimbabwe National Army but these are just particular problems. They are being actioned. Pani action iri kuitika achiti aiwa masoja they must not be involved in any forces avafani kupinda kana kudemonstrate kana kuita sei but they must stick to their mandate of protecting Zimbabwe's sovereignty and peace. Mashoko atakwa na General Sanyatwe chipotudze mafunguro enyu munoti kuri pamusoro penawo iyi pera comment section medu so no subscribe bakuleka channel on the bell icon.